The Round 8 of Super Rugby Pacific match between Fijian Drua and Crusaders. Here's a breakdown of the Fijian Drua lineup for their match against the Crusaders on April 5th, 2025. Forwards 1 to 8, power and mobility. The forward pack will be crucial in setting the platform against a well-drilled Crusaders team. Front row, Heraiti Heated, loose head prop. A mobile prop who contributes around the park, but his scrummaging will be tested against a dominant Crusaders pack. Needs to hold his own in set pieces. Tevita Aikanave hooker, captain, a dynamic player and one of Drua's leaders. His ability to carry, break tackles, and compete at a breakdown is vital. Line-out throwing accuracy will be a key factor. Mesaki Doan's tight head prop brings experience and solid scrummaging. His ability to anchor the scrum will be important against a strong Crusaders front row. Key focus, the scrum battle will be a major test. If the front row can stand strong, the Drua can play their natural attacking game. Second row, Mesaki Vosavos, lock, a physical presence, strong in defense and ball carries. Needs to be dominant in runs. Izo and Nasilasila, block, excellent line-out jumper and a powerful presence in open play. His job will be to contest Crusaders' set pieces and provide a defensive line in the molds. Key focus, winning line-outs and securing possession. If they lose their own ball, it will put them under pressure. Back row, Josiva Tamani, blindside flanker, an athletic player who can cause problems with his ball-carrying ability, will need to impose himself physically. Izo Atawai, open side flanker, quick over the ball, key in slowing down Crusaders' rucks. His tackling and work rate will be critical. Ilya Thenakai Vata, number 8, a powerful ball carrier who thrives in open play. He will look to break the defensive line with his strong run. Key focus, the back row will play a key role in breakdown contests. Winning turnovers and slowing Crusaders' possession will be crucial. Backline, 9 to 15. Pace, flair, and creativity. This is where the Drua excel. A dangerous backline filled with speed and natural attacking ability. Halfbacks, Frank Lomani, scrum half, the most experienced player in the backline. His decision-making and game management will be key in ensuring the Drua play at the right tempo. Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula, fly half, a young, exciting playmaker. Need to control the game with smart kicking, as the Crusaders will look to counter-attack off loose possession. Key focus, Lomani and Armstrong-Ravula must ensure that the team doesn't play too recklessly. Tactical kicking and composure will be needed. Midfield, Ine Tabuavu, inside center. A strong ball carrier will look to break through Crusaders' defensive line. Iosifo Masi, outside center. A 7-star, incredibly dangerous in broken play. His defensive positioning will also be tested. Key focus, the midfield defensive structure will be tested. If they allow Crusaders playmakers too much space, they could be exposed. Back 3, Honapate Longanamasi, left wing, a fast and elusive runner. If given space, he can be a game changer. Sales Tino Ravatomado, right wing, another speedster with great footwork. Loves counterattacking. View-8 Karawalevu, fullback. Strong under the high ball, provides a good counterattacking option. Key focus, the back 3 will be crucial in fielding kicks and counterattacking. If the Crusaders kick loosely, the Drua can punish them. Bench, impact players 16 to 23. The replacements bring fresh legs and versatility. Zuriel Tojiatama, hooker, adds depth at hooker, a solid scrummager. Emosi Tukiri, prop, provides power in the second half. Samula Tuwait, prop, strong scrummager, will help in closing out the match. Leone Rochusalia, lock, physical presence in the lineouts and molds. Villav Maramara, flanker, high-energy player, useful at the breakdown. Etonia Walker, loose forward, covers multiple positions, adds versatility. Simiwan Karuvali, scrum half, a reliable backup, can speed up play. Isekeli Rambitu, utility back, can cover multiple backline positions, useful in late-game scenarios. Key focus: the bench impact will be critical in the final 20 minutes, particularly in the forwards battle. Tactical breakdown. Strengths: attacking flair. The Drua love an open game, using offloads and quick hand to break defensive structures. Speed and broken play. Players like Marcy and Revitomada can turn half chances into tries. Turnovers at the breakdown. If their loose forward can disrupt Crusaders' ball, they can counter quickly. Discipline. Giving away penalties will allow the Crusaders to control territory. Defensive structure. The Drua can sometimes struggle against well-organized attacking teams. Game plan against the Crusaders. Fast start. The Drua must put the Crusaders under pressure early and play at high tempo. Win the breakdown battle. Slowing Crusaders' possession will be key. Limit mistakes. Reducing handling errors and penalties will prevent the Crusaders from controlling the game. Use the bench effectively. The fresh legs from the bench must maintain intensity. Final thoughts. The Fijian Drua have the potential to cause an upset if they can play their natural game while minimizing errors. If their pack can stand up in the set piece and the backspine space, they can trouble the Crusaders. However, if they lose a territory battle and allow the Crusaders to dictate play, it could be a tough outing. And if the Drua can dictate the pace and create chaos in open play, they have a shot at unsettling Crusaders. However, they must improve their set-piece and defensive organization to stand a chance against a well-drilled Crusaders outfit. Expect an exciting match. A fast, physical, and entertaining match ensues. Fijian Drua wins over Crusaders, first and foremost, as they always look up to the heavens Philippians 4:13. Play out of their own half constantly. The Drua pin the Crusaders back and force them into mistakes. Key example: in 2024, the Drua's contestable kicks forced Crusaders wingers into errors, leading to key attacking scrums inside their territory. 5. Defensive resilience, big tackles and pressure. One of the biggest improvements the Drua showed in their recent wins was their defensive structure. While they are known for attack, their physicality in defense was a key factor. Big hits from midfielders like Iosifo Marcy and Ine Tabuvi prevented the Crusaders from executing their usual offload-heavy attack. The defensive line speed was much faster than in previous seasons, shutting down Crusaders' playmakers before they could create space. Key example: in the 2024 win, the Crusaders had multiple attacking chances, but the Drua's defensive pressure forced handling errors and turnovers inside their 22. Key takeaways from Drua's wins over Crusaders. Keycap won fast, high-tempo play. They avoided structured battles and attacked in broken play. Keycap 2 home conditions advantage. The humidity and crowd played a huge role in their victories. Keycap 3 winning the breakdown battle. They slowed down the Crusaders' attack and won crucial turnovers. Keycap 4 smart kicking game. They controlled field position better than in previous seasons. Keycap 5 defensive pressure and big hits. They disrupted the Crusaders' attack and forced errors. Final thoughts. The Fijian Drua have proven that they can compete with and defeat one of the best teams in Super Rugby when they execute their game plan correctly. If they stick to their strengths, fast, attacking rugby with relentless defense, they have every chance of beating the Crusaders again in 2025.